How to search filters on Instagram. So if you want to search filters on your Instagram, then first you need to open up your Instagram application. Once you open up your Instagram, you need to just go with the upper left, which has that story section. Tap on your story and then tap on camera. Now you can just simply swipe right or left so that you will have your filters, right? So if you want to search for the filters on your Instagram, then what you need to do is just simply go with the right side. You can go with all the way to the right, and here on the right or at the last, you will have a magnifying icon. Tap on the magnifying icon and it will take you to this kind of interface. So you just need to simply go with the search icon or the magnifying icon again, which is on the left side, middle left side of your screen. Tap on it and you will have the search effects section. So you just need to simply search for the effect, any effect that you're comfortable with, and you will find all of the effects right here. You can simply choose any effect that you're comfortable with, and then you can save the effect so that you'll be able to have the effect just right when you open your camera on your Instagram. So that's how you can search for the filters on your Instagram, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.